Okay, good morning, all of you, first year students. Yesterday, discussed the trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions, sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, this type of, and another one is sin square theta result, important identities means formulas, results, so many. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, or secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1, the formulas. And next topic is trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions. Ratios, functions in terms of coordinates. Okay, x coordinate, y coordinate, x axis and y axis both are called coordinate axis. Okay, so this is the unit circle. You will take unit circle, x axis, y axis. Unit circle means radius 1. This is the theta. Opposite side is taken PM is take y and x. Adjacent side OM is equal to x. The point lies in the locus x comma y. Taken any point, or for example x comma y. And next one is already discussed. The first, the coordinate axis, x axis and y axis, divide the plane in 4 quadrants. Divide the plane. These are plane. Total anyone is a plane. The x axis and y axis are divide the plane in 4 quadrants. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In third quadrant, the point, any point x comma y, taken x comma y, both are positive. X coordinate, y coordinate positive. In P x comma y, what is x is called x coordinate, y is called y coordinate. In the first quadrant, all are positive, means x coordinate positive, y coordinate positive. Second quadrant, quadrant is the difference. Second one is x is negative, x coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. Both are negative. X coordinate positive, y coordinate negative. This is the before the class. Okay, next topic is signs of trigonometric functions in different quadrants. Trigonometric functions, sine, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant, these 6 functions are called trigonometric functions or trigonometric ratios. These trigonometric ratios in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive or some positive. All are positive. Some functions are positive. Some functions means which functions are positive, which functions are negative in first quadrant. Second quadrant, which functions are negative, which functions are negative. Third quadrant, which functions are negative, which functions are negative, positive. At the same time, fourth quadrant also. For example, in first quadrant, both quadrants are positive. X positive, y positive. So, let us see the diagram, same as it is diagram here, same diagram here. So first sin theta is equal to what? Opposite side by hypotenuse, ye by 1, that is equal to ye. In first quadrant, y is positive or negative? Positive. Y is positive or negative? Positive. So positive. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, x by 1. Here x is positive or negative? X is positive, so positive. Cos theta, sin theta positive in first quadrant, cos theta positive in first quadrant. Next tan also. Tan is what? Sin by cos, y by x. Y is positive and x is positive. Totally positive. This also positive. Tan positive means cot is also positive because 1 by cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So tan is negative means cot is also negative. Tan positive means cot also positive. These are positive. Next, what is secant theta? Secant theta is equal to what? 1 by cos theta. 1 by positive is equal to positive, 1 by negative is equal to negative. So cos is positive means secant also positive. Secant also positive. So cosecant, sine is positive means cosecant also positive. 1 by ye is positive. So what is the final one? In the first quadrant, all are positive functions. In the first quadrant, all are positive functions. Sine, cos, any function. In total 6 functions, all functions are positive in first quadrant. In first quadrants, about the first quadrant. Next, second one. Okay, let us see. Look at the board and observe them. So, is it clear? So, write down. Okay, next functions, the quadrant trigonometric functions in the first quadrant are completed. The first quadrant is completed, and second quadrant. In the second quadrant, note second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. X is negative, y is positive. So sin theta is equal to y. Y is negative or positive? Positive. Cos theta is equal to cos theta. Equal to what is the cos theta? Equal to x. X is positive or negative? X is negative. So tan negative. Cot, tan negative means cot also negative. Secant, cos negative means secant negative, because 1 by. Cosecant, sine positive means cosecant positive. So what is the final result? In the second quadrant, which is the negative functions? Which are negative function? Which are positive function? First of all, sine, cosecant. Sine, cosecant are the positive in second quadrant. Sine, cosecant are positive in second quadrant. Remaining functions, how many functions are there? Remaining 4 functions. What are they? Cos, tan, cot, secant. These 4 functions are negative in the second quadrant. Negative in the second quadrant. Okay. Look at this. Next, third quadrant. Third quadrant. X is negative, y is also negative. So, sin negative minus y, negative. Cos negative. Tan negative by sin by cos. Negative means y by x minus y by minus x means positive. Minus y by minus x is positive. Next, cot. Cot positive means tan positive means cot also positive. Next, secant 1 by minus x, that is negative. Cosecant means 1 by minus y, that is negative. So, in the third quadrant, which functions are positive? Tan, cot. Tanu, cotu, those functions are, two functions are positive in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tanu, cotu positive. The remaining functions, what are the remaining functions? Sin, cos, secant, cosecant, these four functions are negative in the third quadrant. Negative in the third quadrant. Okay, look at this. Next, obviously in fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative, sin theta is equal to minus, y is minus negative, cos theta is equal to x is positive, tan theta negative because tan is equal to sin by cos, minus y by x is equal to negative, cot theta is equal to, tan negative means automatically cot also negative, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, 1 by plus x is positive, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, sin negative means negative. Clear? So, finally, in the fourth quadrant, which functions are positive in the fourth quadrant? Cosu, secantu. Cos theta, secant theta are the positive in the fourth quadrant. The remaining four functions, what are the remaining four functions? Sin, tan, cot, cosecant. These four are negative in the fourth quadrant. Okay. Okay. So clear picture finally. 0, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360, 0 or 360. One totally 360 degrees. This is the first quadrant. All means all functions are positive. All means all are positive. All silver. S for sine. Sine reciprocal, cosecant. In the second quadrant, silver, and easy to remember, easy to identify. Which function? There is no confusion. First, all means all functions are positive. Silver means S for sine, S for secant also. The main functions, what are the main function? Sine, cos, tan are the main function. First of all, sine, cosecant are positive. All silver. T in third quadrant. T for tan. Tan reciprocal, cot. Tan, cot are positive. Tan, cot are positive means remaining are similarly negative. So fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, all silver teacups. All silver teacups. All silver teacups. C for cos reciprocal, secant. These two are positive in first quadrant. Here in the first quadrant, 0 less than or equal to 90, 0 less than or equal, theta less than or equal to 90 in the first quadrant. Second quadrant, 90 code. Second quadrant, 90 less than theta less than or equal to 180. In third quadrant, 180 less than theta less than or equal to 270. In fourth quadrant, 270 less than theta less than or equal to 370. In first quadrant, range is up to 90. Second quadrant is 90 to 180, 91 to 90 above 2, less than 92. This is 180 to 270, 270 to 360. This is one complete evolution. The second evolution is 60 to 450, 450 to 720, 722 plus 9, 810, 810 to 900. This is one evolution, one complete circle revolution. Second one, third one. This is complete picture. Okay, what is the meaning of that picture? In first four quadrants, first quadrant which are positive, first quadrant range, which angle to which angle? This is first quadrant all positive, so 0 to 90. Silver, S means sine, the reciprocal of sine, cosecant, only these are positive. Range is 90 to 180, 180 to 270. T means T for tan, tan cot, reciprocal cot, cups. C for cos, reciprocal secant. These two only in the positive in the fourth quadrant. Range is this one. This is the clear picture in the class. Okay, next. Okay, Clear? Next, negative angle of the trigonometric functions. Negative angle of the trigonometric functions. First, draw the diagram. First of all, maximum you will take. You have to take unit circle because easy. This is 0. This is the positive angle theta. This is the negative angle minus theta. This is up. This is anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise direction is left to right. Anti-clockwise is right to left. This is a positive angle x to y, positive angle. This is minus theta, minus negative angle. Okay. So this is the P, M, Q. This is O, this is 1, this is Y, this is X, this is Q in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, minus to plus. So minus X plus Y. In first quadrant, X comma Y plus plus. Sign of negative angle. So theta in the positive first quadrant. In the first quadrant, theta opposite is y. In the second quadrant, fourth quadrant, minus theta opposite angle is this is the opposite angle. This is minus y or plus y? This is minus y. This is 1. Okay. X minus y. This is minus y. Both are positive. X is both because the total two triangles depending on the x axis. So positive. X positive. Both are positive. Here y minus y. Okay. So about the minus theta angle. First of all, sine of minus theta. Sine of minus theta, this is the, look at this, only minus theta angle. But sine theta is equal to what? Opposite by adjacent side, hypotenuse. So minus y. Sine of minus theta opposite angle, this is the MQ. Okay, MQ by hypotenuse OQ. MQ is minus y by 1, that is equal to minus y. Minus y is equal to, actually in the positive, what is the y? Minus y means what? Sine theta. In the y above, this is the negative direction, positive direction. So finally sine of minus theta is equal to what? Minus sine theta. This is very, very important result. Next, cos of minus theta is equal to adjacent side. Adjacent side is what? OM by OQ. OM is x by 1, that is equal to x. So x means what? Cos theta. Finally, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Third one, tan of minus theta angle, opposite side, minus y by adjacent side xo. So minus y by x means minus y by xo. Y by x is equal to what? Minus y by x is tan theta. So tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. So by the depending on tan negative means cot also negative. So similarly cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Secant of minus theta is equal to secant theta. Because of cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta, that's why secant of minus theta secant theta. You don't know, you don't understand means same as it is. So, cot is equal to adjacent side and x by minus y negative. So cosecant of minus theta, cosecant of minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. This is the very important result. Cos of minus theta cos theta, secant of minus theta secant theta. Only two are positive, remaining are negative. That's why easy to remember. Cos of minus theta cos theta, secant of minus theta secant theta. Remaining are negative. Sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Cos of minus theta is equal tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Cosecant of minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. These are very important results. Okay, look at this. Table, trigonometry basic table, sin 30 degrees, 40 degrees. This is the basic table. Okay. Table. First angles. Sin, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. Okay. Angles, sin, cos, tan, cot, secant, cosecant. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. First of all, up to 90. After 270, 90. First 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, look at this. It's very important, easy to how to understand the all functions angle sin 30, sin 1, how to. First of all, table 30, you known angles 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Next is functions. So first of all, take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only sine function, about the sine function. So divided by 4. 0 by 4, next 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. First of all, 0, 1, 2, divide 4 parts. Okay. Take it root. Why? Sine values. 0 by anything, 0. Root 0, 0. Root of 1 by 4, root of 1 by 4, root 1, 1, root 4, 2. 2 by 4, 2 ones, 2 twos. Root 1 by 2 means 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 4 means root 3 by 2. 4 by 4, 1. Root 1 is 1. This is the sign values. Sign values identify this procedure. Or remember. The cos means what? Reverse. 1 annexed root 3 by 2, annexed 1 by root 2, annexed 1 by 2, annexed 0. Tan means sin by cos, 0 by 1, 0 by anything, 0. 1 by root 2 by root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 by root 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by root 2 into, this is reverse, 2 by root 3. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. The 2 cancel, that is equal to 1 by root 3. Calculate 1 by root 3. Both are same, cancel. So root 3. 1 by 0, infinity, or not defined. Anything by 0 is equal to not defined. 0 by anything is equal to 0. So cot means what? 1 by tan. 1 by 0, infinity, or not defined. 1 by root 3 is equal to root 3. 1 by 1, 1 by root 3. 1 by infinity, 0. 1 by not defined, or 1 by infinity is equal to 0. Secant reciprocal, 1 by cos, 1 by cos, 1 by 1. 1 by root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 means root 2. 1 by 2 means 2. 1 by 0 means infinity, or not defined. Cosecant, 1 by sine, 1 by 0, infinity, reverse, not defined. 1 by reverse, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, 1. This is the how to remember too easy. This is the process. This is basic up to 90. In PUC up to 270, 180, 360, 720, these are all. Okay. So tomorrow I will continue the next class. Okay. Thank you. 30.